Over like all of my gang. Even when we got some change, we can't change. Remain humble, yeah, remain the same.
What's up, you guys? In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved these braids. At the top I did feed-in braids, and at the bottom I did knotless braids. But let's get into the video. First and foremost, we are going to do the bottom. So I moved you guys in a little bit closer so I can show you this back section. So we have the back section. It's already moisturized, I guess, in spirit. It's already moisturized. First of all, in the back section, I do knotless braids. But let me tell you, I've been doing knotless braids before knotless braids even had a name, okay? But that's neither here nor there. But let me just show you guys how to. So you just want to do a regular braid. Grab 3 pieces and do it nice and tight. And then you're going to go ahead with a small piece of braiding hair and add that in. So with the braiding hair, you have 3 pieces of hair when you're braiding. You want to add that blonde piece of hair or whatever color you chose to the 2 end pieces. And then just continue braiding like nothing ever happened. And then you just go ahead and do the same thing again. You put the braiding hair on the 2 outer pieces and continue braiding. And you just add in as much braiding hair as you would like. You want to take the hair, same thing, split it in the 2 end pieces and keep braiding. It's really easy. Yeah, that's how you just do the knotless braids in the back for this hairstyle. This hairstyle can be in any color. I don't know if I wanted to do blonde or if I was doing it so that you guys could see, but either way I'm here for it. Yeah, you just keep braiding towards the end. I wouldn't necessarily say this is quick to do, but once you do it a couple times it does get quicker. And this is just like regular. You just braid this regular. You guys can't even see me braiding. I have to be in the frame. Braid like this. You ever seen nobody braid like this? But braid like this, yes. You made it this far in the video and you haven't liked it yet? That must be a mistake. I'm gonna give you a second. So you just start off like a regular cane roll, corn roll, however y'all say it. Grab the hairs, the small hairs. I mean, you don't want to be pulling on your edges, but just grab all the hairs. So yeah, you're just gonna start to braid it like regular. And then you're gonna grab a small piece and take the hair, put it towards the back of your head, and just add it to the 2 outer parts. You have 3 pieces when you're braiding, you're adding it to the 2 outer ones. And then you're just gonna keep braiding and braid that in as well. And you just keep doing this until you reach the end. So yeah, you can go ahead and add in the next piece of hair whenever you're ready. The same way, put the hair towards the back, put one on one end and one on the other end of your 3 pieces that you're braiding, and continue to cane row, corn row. Just remember when you're doing this to braid fairly tight. So as you can see, I'm going for like the ombre look, so it starts off more dark and then by the time you reach the ends they are completely blonde. If you want, you could go ahead and add a natural color at the roots and then add the blonde towards the end, especially if you want them even longer than the braids that I have. then you can definitely go ahead and do that. Now that we've reached the end of the cane row, we can just go ahead and continue to braid normal and add in some more of that blonde the same way, one on one side, one on the other side, and just braid that in. Hopefully you guys are able to see this even more so because I'm using blonde hair. If y'all can't see it, I can't help you. I'm trying, okay? If you can't see it, you can't see it. I don't know what else you want from me. But you just go in and add that the same way we've been adding hair since we've reached up here. I think so far I've added like maybe 4 or 5 pieces. I'm not too sure. But you just add as much as you think you need to get the desired thickness that you want. You're just gonna braid all the way down. Okay, so you don't need to braid to the ends, or else you might be there for a while. But just braid as much as you're comfortable leaving out. And then of course we dip the ends, but because my hair's near the ends of this braiding hair, I don't want to fully dip the ends because I don't want to burn my hair. Hair burns at 450 degrees, just in case you didn't know. So I don't know how hot water is, so I just want to do legit just the ends. So like the little chips down, yeah, so this part, yeah. Okay, no, my hair's done, but I told you guys I need to dip the ends. I didn't dip the ends yet, but so one thing I forgot to tell you guys is when I'm done, I like to put some mousse on the top. It doesn't matter what kind of mousse you put on, any kind. This one I'm using is Pantene, but a lot of body is really good for this. But really any mousse is fine. Drag it down a little bit. And that's it, you guys. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to see more content just like this. Peace.